So you're visiting Newport, Rhode Island and only have 24 hours? Well, in today's video, we have a complete list of everything you should be doing while visiting Newport, Rhode Island. Let's get started. As they say, the most important meal of the day is breakfast, and you're gonna wanna start at this iconic breakfast place, Corner Cafe here in Newport, Rhode Island. Their breakfast burritos are incredible. Now, if you're looking for a breakfast spot with more of a view, you can check out Bell's Cafe, or if you're in a rush, you can head to Empire Tea. Now, after you finish breakfast, it's time to burn off some calories. You're gonna wanna head to the Cliff Walk. This 3.5-mile walk has incredible views of the water and iconic mansions. You can't head to Newport, Rhode Island without experiencing the Newport mansions. These mansions were some of the most iconic summer residents to the wealthiest individuals in the world. Some of the most popular ones you should have on your list are the Breakers, Rosecliff, and Marble House. We're getting around today on this amazing golf cart from Island Adventures. If you're looking for more rentals from them, we'll provide a link in the description below. After you tour the Newport mansions, you're gonna wanna have shopping on your list. The main shopping areas are gonna be Thames Street, Bowens Wharf, and Bannister's Wharf. But if you're not in the mood for shopping, you can also head to the Tennis Hall of Fame or Sailing Hall of Fame. Now, I'm sure at this point you've worked up an appetite, so for lunch, you're gonna wanna head to the Mooring Seafood Restaurant, sitting right on the water. They have incredible views of the water, they have a great bar, their seafood's amazing, their lunch options are to die for. Now that you're done with lunch, you're gonna wanna head out here to Ocean Drive. This stretch of 10 miles has some of the best coastline views of Newport and some of the most amazing homes you'll see right here in Newport, Rhode Island. Celebrities like Jay Leno lives out here, Judge Judy lives out here, and if you're a celebrity and want to live out here, you know who to call. After you finish your tour out on Ocean Drive, you're gonna wanna head to the lawn here at Castle Hill. This lawn has beautiful views of the water. You can see boats coming in and out, they have great sunsets, and you can also enjoy drinks and relax in the Adirondack chairs that they have featured out here on the lawn. After enjoying the lawn out at Castle Hill, head down to the wharf for a boat tour. This is one of the best ways that we recommend viewing Newport from the water. Now, before dinner, you're gonna wanna grab apps and drinks at the Grace Vanderbilt rooftop deck. Now, a lot of people don't know about this, but at the top of the Grace Vanderbilt Hotel, they have a rooftop deck and it has beautiful views of the Newport Harbor. You have 180-degree views of the water and the town of Newport. For dinner, we highly recommend 22 Bowens Steakhouse. They have amazing steaks, amazing seafood. They have this incredible bar outside, so in the summer, tables will be all here. Everyone will be sitting outside at the bar, and they have a great bar upstairs inside. Now, there are so many great restaurants here in Newport. We included our list of the best restaurants in Newport right here. So after dinner, if you're looking for nightlife entertainment, we have 3 recommendations. One of them being the Pelham right behind me. This is a bar I actually used to bartend at. And then the Blues Cafe, which is only 100 yards down the road. But if you're looking also for something more on the water, you can also check out the Landing. That is our complete list of what you should be doing here in Newport, Rhode Island in 24 hours. Now, if you're looking to stay here longer than 24 hours and you can see yourself living here, all of my contact information is in the description below.